Alright my good people, and welcome back again to Anointed Lady TV. We don come your screen with another legit intel. I don come your domot with another breaking news on the things and things wey dey go on for inside we nation Nigeria. The koko now be say the former president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria wey be Goodluck Jonathan don come outside now dey yarn say the current crisis, the current palava wey dey happen for inside Rivers State, he say last e go shape, e go transform, e go make the governor of Rivers State wey be Siminalayi Fubara become political general. And Oga Goodluck Jonathan dey yarn all these levels for inside the first Eche Festival of Food, Art and Cultural Exhibition. All these levels dey happen for inside Eche local government area of Rivers State. And no be lie my good people, currently the Rivers State governor dey get political kwata, dey get political battle with his predecessor wey be the former governor of Rivers State, and he still be current minister of the Federal Capital Territory. I'm talking about the one and only Wike. These two mature men now dey battle for political structure of Rivers State, and this are political beef. It don dey happen since 2023. So back to the koko of the hour, my good people. For inside this event now, we happen on Sunday, wey be the first day of December for inside this year 2024. Sir Goodluck Jonathan, wey be the former president of our green country wey be Nigeria, he come dey yarn say antagonism na common experience wey leaders dey face, and the political war now wey dey stage, wey dey arranged against Oga Siminalayi Fubara last eventually e go make Oga Fubara emerge, e go make Oga Fubara come outside as a political general. Then Oga Goodluck Jonathan come dey give Oga Siminalayi Fubara charge. He come dey urge the man say make he no dey perturbed over the political antagonism against his administration, make he no let the political crisis, make he no let the political beef come dey disturb this current administration, make he no let the kwata come put asunder for the good things wey he get for the Rivers State people, but make him remain dedicated to the obligations of governance without being distracted. Oga Goodluck Jonathan constantly yarn say he know Oga Siminalayi Fubara, and he dey very much aware say the Rivers State governor is passing through challenges. He know very well say Oga Fubara dey go through a lot like this, but you see him wey be Goodluck Jonathan, he dey try keep quiet. In occasions like this, he no dey like talk pim, he dey like keep him mouth close. He no dey like to dey talk some certain things. But this na the first time wey the Rivers State governor wey be Siminalayi Fubara dey hold a top political office. So therefore, the man is bound to pass through a lot. And make Oga Siminalayi Fubara know, make him get am for back of him mind, say nobody dey become general without war. Before they anoint and before they promote person as general, he go gats pass through 1 or 2 wars them. He go don survive 1 or 2 kwata, he go don see some kind fight them. So whatever the challenges, whatever political palava wey Oga Siminalayi Fubara dey currently dey face, make he just dey rest assured say the palava, so the challenges na go make Oga Siminalayi Fubara become general in politics. And with Oga Siminalayi Fubara commitment plus the support wey he wey be Goodluck Jonathan don observe say dey come from the people of Rivers State, God go surely see Oga Siminalayi through all the challenges wey in dey face currently. No be small matter like this, my good people. Oga Goodluck Jonathan wey be former president of this our green country Nigeria, he can also dey beg, he can also dey plead with the Rivers State people so dem collectively ensure say dem continue to dey support Governor Siminalayi Fubara. And as they support their governor, may they also make sure say Rivers State remains peaceful in order to engender enduring development. According to how he take yarn my good people, he say we want a peaceful Rivers State because Rivers State na the center of Niger Delta, and anytime wey in the yarn, in dey try to make am very clear. If we want to create serious perturbation for inside Rivers State, we are creating crisis in the Niger Delta, which is not good for our economy as a nation. We want a peaceful Rivers State. We want the governor of Rivers State to be allowed to remain calm and do his work. After he don finish serving the Rivers State people, another person go last constantly take over. In political office, we get tenure, like period of time to serve. So therefore, we don't need to buy ourselves over any political office. So may they allow those people now wey dey in office to do their work. After they don't step down from that their office, anything can last happen. All these levels, my good pipu, na the talk wey dey come outside from the mouth of Oga Goodluck Jonathan, wey be the former president of our green white green country wey be Nigeria. So dis na wetin im yarn about the political beef wey dey happen for inside Rivers State, and im dey yarn all these levels during the first Ichie Festival of Food, Art and Cultural Exhibition wey happen for inside Ichie local government area of Rivers State. After Oga Goodluck Jonathan now don comment on the political beef, on the political crisis wey dey happen for inside Rivers State, im come dey give accolade, im come dey commend the traditional ruler of Ichie wey be Eze Ken Nwala for the success wey im don achieve in 10 years on the throne. Im come still dey praise Ichie pipu for the commitment, for the love wey dem get for farming. And sake of say dem get love, dem get commitment for farming, dem come get this ogbonge reputation as the food basket of Rivers State. Then still for inside the event, Oga Siminalayi Fubara wey be the Rivers State governor wey be say they don plaster am with a new traditional title alongside Goodluck Jonathan, come dey express delight over the recognition and the chieftaincy title wey dem give am. Then he come dey assure the people say this in administration, so this in tenure, e go continue to dey provide projects and social services wey go improve their standard of living, wey go make things better for them. Then the governor wey be Siminalayi Fubara come still dey urge the people make dem expect more government attention because of their support, because of the things and things wey dem don dey do, because of their love, make dem just expect more good things dey come. Then he come still dey give Ichie people dem assurance say him now as governor of Rivers State, him now as Siminalayi Fubara, he no be Amaka at all, he no go disappoint them. Then he come still dey give accolade, he come still dey thank Goodluck Jonathan wey be the former president for gracing the occasion. He come dey thank the man say he answer present for the event, and he come dey yarn say the presence of Oga Goodluck Jonathan na sign of humility. And no be lie, my good people, all of us know Goodluck Jonathan like man of peace, man wey humble, man wey no like violence, man wey no get wahala. Oga Goodluck Jonathan good record, e just too plenty. Na why many country people, many politicians dey give am a maximum regard. And for him now to answer present for inside Rivers State, that na to tell the Rivers State people say the Rivers State governor too mind dey. The Rivers State governor dey walk the same path wey Oga Goodluck Jonathan dey waka. This my good people na the informate wey I wan share give the general public. Anyhow the thing be for body, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. Now we be Anointed Daily TV. Now we dey like give una legit intel on the things and things wey dey go on for inside we nation Nigeria. So if you like this update and you would like to receive more, try make you subscribe to this channel and try make you put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring the news dey come, then go first receive the updates and you go even get am sharp. And abeg try make you dey share the news to your family and friends so that them too they go know wetin dey happen for inside we nation Nigeria. Me dey come your side again with another legit intel for you, my good people. Abeg no go anywhere.